Namaste, friends. Friends, it is so important that we develop emotional resilience, that we have an inner state of flexibility and strength going through all the different stresses in life. Let's face it, challenges come, stresses come. But the impact of that, we have to take care, we have to heal. You can use this 5-minute meditation to heal, to pay attention to, and develop the flexibility and the strength back, the resilience back. So close your eyes. Take a comfortable posture and bring your attention now to your breath. Become present to your breath. Mind is like a monkey, constantly going here and there, to the past, to the future. Your breath is now going to be the anchor for your mind. Just check in with yourself. How is the breath? Is it fast? Is it slow? You don't have to change anything. Can you just accept how it is? Just be with the breath. Become completely present to the entire track of breathing. In a state of acceptance of what is. You're just practicing awareness and acceptance. And now you can rest your attention in your heart space, the heart center, the center of your chest. Keep your attention there and keep watching the breath. Watching the breath coming in and going out as you keep your attention there. Our heart center, heart chakra, is the center of connectedness. Not only do you connect to other people through this, you also start seeing the connectedness of life. It is also the center which connects the lower 3 chakras, which are the physical centers, to the upper 3 chakras, which are the spiritual centers. As you stay there at this center, just watch the sensations that may be happening. If there's a sense of lightness or heaviness, or maybe a sense of expansion, just allow it. Be with it. Just for another half a minute, be there at the center. Just going deeper into what you're feeling, how it's feeling. Allow yourself now to feel that there is a flame at this center, a light, a source of light. And now allow yourself to bring into your awareness this situation where you know that something is unresolved, a stressful situation, an emotional moment. And as if you're letting the light shine onto that, you're paying attention to that feeling, that memory, that moment. And just for a minute, you can also step into that moment now. Step into it now for a minute instead of objectively watching it. you're going to be in it subjectively. Step into it. Allow yourself to feel the sensations in the body. Allow yourself to feel the emotions. You may feel deep sadness. You may feel any other emotion that was there in that moment. Allow it. When we relive this, we release the charge that was held there. Reliving is releasing, and it has its own therapeutic benefit. Be there just for another 5 to 10 seconds. Reliving it, releasing it. And now, bring your attention back to your heart center, to the light, the source of light. And now, coming back into this state of stillness, watch this situation from here. From experiencing it subjectively, you're now again taking an objective stance. Watch it now from this space. Be a watcher. And slowly start settling into that silence, that stillness. Many times we don't feel a sense of completion with just doing this once. Even though we will now stop here, you can come back and keep practicing this, and you can go from this state to this state multiple times to build emotional resilience. Slowly, at this moment, you can start bringing yourself back. Taking a couple of long deep breaths, rub your palms together, cover your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing this. Namaste.